Hi, Dave, CRT Performance Parts here again. You've been working on the suspension on 450MT. As we all know, they're not great, they're not terrible, but they can be made a lot better. So yeah, I've been down to FTR getting the Nitron kits fitted to the forks to match the rear shock. So now James down at FTR is going to have a look at the standard cartridges, fork cartridges, and the standard rear shock, and see if we can come up with a budget solution to basically improving the Kayaba suspension, standard stuff. But anyway, a couple of things. You need to check your steering head bearings to see if they're dry. This bike is 5 months old. It's done less than 1,000 miles. There's no grease at all in the steering head bearings. I pulled them out while I had the forks off, but I might go through that later on and show you how to do that. Cheers. So yeah, the fork cartridges have been swapped out for Nitron units. So FTR did that for us. They'll be offering a similar service. But yeah, so you've same as a standard bike. You've got a compression one side, rebound the other. But they're obviously made to competition spec, so they're a much more responsive setup. And we're going to just see what this is like. I can't wait to get out on it. Yeah, so it's a 14mm hex in the end of the axle, so, and it threads directly into the other foot. So obviously just make sure the bike is secure, the bike's safe, it's not going to go over anywhere, and you've got the proper tools for the job. But one point worth noting as well is the caliper bolts were real tight. So I'm going to replace these with titanium because, well, because I can really. So yeah, the ABS sensor, it's pretty vulnerable where it is, to be honest. But you know, you can buy guards for this. But yeah, just be a bit careful when you're taking it out and refitting it. It's dead easy to damage. Yeah, there's the titanium bolts I fitted in there. I just took them out of the race parts bin really, and they'll never corrode, never seize up, and they'll be in there for a lifetime of the bike.